how beautiful these peppers are. Really beautiful. These are the bird peppers or the chili peppers. Look how gorgeous this is. It's about 20 pepper plant, every one of it laden with peppers. Look at that. Look at my thyme, my Guyana thyme, and my Guyana marmam poke. Those are my broadleaf thyme there. These are all my bird peppers. More bird peppers. More Wiri peppers. Over here, there are more Wiri peppers. Look at that beautiful thyme plant that I have there. Look at all those Wiri pepper plants. My husband loves the Wiri peppers. That is why we plant so many. Look at that. Look, guys. You have to see this to believe this. How many peppers we're reaping. Look at all that. So many. Unbelievable. Look how beautiful these plants are. Look at that. My thyme. My tomatoes are now dying. Over here, it's another pepper plant. Look at that. Look at that. Look how many peppers we're reaping. We have peppers to last us till next year now. Look at that. This is a thyme plant that we have there. Our squash plant already dying. Look at all those pepper plants. All the spinach already gone. Look. This is one small stem. Look how many peppers is on this one stem. Look. Look at that. Over here is another bird pepper plant. It's laden with bird pepper. They're green, so you could hardly see them. This is another thyme plant that I have here. These are some spinach. And that's another pepper plant laden with peppers again. These are my spinach. I already picked like 5 times already. My beautiful thyme. More spinach. I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to reap some peppers and I will show you